After a busy summer of camps and vacations, your kids are probably looking for a way to remember those memories and all those new friendships they made. And here with some fun DIY projects is Jane Monzuris with DIY by Jane. All right, we're so glad that you're here today.
Thank you. I love to spread the crafting joy wherever I go.
And I love it because I'm looking at your crafts and I can do them. It's not overwhelming.
No, it's not overwhelming. Everybody should try it at least. There's no way you can make a mistake. It's all about having fun and doing it together in a community. Now, I know you spend a lot of time at the beach.
Yes.
So our first couple of crafts are going to have to do with those shells that you find at the beach.
That I end up throwing away. I'm sorry, but after a couple of months, I'm like, what am I going to do with all these shells?
Well, you're going to turn them into a beautiful frame for some bedroom decor. So how about this for your daughter? Maybe she takes an old frame, use those shells, glue them on the frame, put the picture of your bestie in there, and give it to your friend for bedroom decor.
So cute. And we can also wear our shells.
We can also wear our shells. What I love doing with this, these are shells that are from Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And you're turning them into necklaces. So it's a very easy craft. Get all the girls together, or boys, or whoever, and have an afternoon of making necklaces. What you need to do is drill a hole in the top of the shell. Now, that can be very difficult to drill a hole. Shells are very tough. So you're gonna use a 1mm diamond drill bit that drills tile, ceramics. If you don't wanna do all that, adult supervision required. You know what, Mother Nature sometimes
does the work for you.
Yeah, it makes a hole for us on our own. So I'm gonna have you make one here.
Okay.
What you're gonna do,
you just then string it
along.
Whatever kind of ribbon.
Whatever kind of ribbon, or even a metal chain if you want. And then pick your embellishment. I'm gonna have you do this one, that's the mati. And then use some really heavy duty glue in there.
Okay, you put too much glue.
You know what?
Does it dry clear?
A little dab will do ya. It'll dry clear, and just let that set. I would let it set till it's tacky to dry. Let it set for 24 hours till it really sticks. Here you go. There's a finished one for you.
And boom,
look at how
this
cute
is
that
so
is.
cute. And you like showed it on the mannequin kind, you can layer it and have fun with it, use chains, add a lot of texture.
And you can even use the back side of it too, because that's really cute as well.
Really
But again,
cute.
Adult supervision if you're going to be drilling that hole on your own. But easy to do, you can always do that. Let's move on to the canvas art project. This is one of my favorites.
Yes.
Because I would say get your core group of friends together. Everyone gets just a blank canvas, right?
They're inexpensive, and get them in Hobby Lobby, Michael's.
Paint, markers, embellishments. Write what a friend means to you. Then, randomly, everybody picks a canvas and they get to bring it home, or better yet, if it's high school students, they can bring it and put it in their dorm to remember their friends as they move on to the next chapter in life.
Really cute, or they can hang it in their locker.
Absolutely.
Really cute.
And they can sign the back too, so you know who it's from. I want to move on. I'm calling these besties, right?
I love it.
Besties. You have a group of friends that they are two girls that never separate. This is just fabric paint. This is iron on stencils. Get that at any craft store. Make your own t-shirts.
Again, t-shirts here, and we're going to do one craft before we end. But this one I think is a great idea. Tell me how you did this.
This is just a recycled cigar box, painted. Put a decoupage a photo of the friends that are on it, brothers even, and then add some embellishments, and then you can even put some stuff on the inside. But this is the new way to make a friendship bracelet. So I'm going to have you add some gems to a piece of 1-inch thick cotton. I like to recycle my old t-shirts, and then you're going to put,
or those t-shirt your husband doesn't want to, you shouldn't be wearing anymore, and you can't ditch it.
And you put that on there.
Okay.
Put any kind of flat back gems you want on there. Those will dry clear. You can't see it, and you can see some finished ones that I have here. Same glue, all dries clear. Then you want to fringe out the edges of those, and those will hang down. You can give one to every student or every one of your friends, and I'm gonna have you cut.
Great too for a birthday party, an activity to do that.
Absolutely. And I also think it's a lot easier to do than tying knots.
I was gonna say, so many times my youngest gets so frustrated because one knot goes wrong and the whole bracelet, so it's
and you just spent hours working on it. So you're just gonna cut those up, make a cute little fringe.
And there you go.
Ideas are endless.
Jane, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
A ton of great ideas. And for this and other ideas for crafts, you can check out DIY by Jane online.